Today I have a 1934 Ford 5-window coupe. Not sure what that means. I don't know much about these older car models, but I think it's pretty darn sweet. It is a lot of work. You're working in and around all the grooves and things here. A lot of the tools, machines don't really fit there, so a lot of things have to be done with our hands. But excited to work on it. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna be doing a little steam cleaning on the engine just so to get rid of some of the debris. Interior is a light cleaning today. Interior doesn't get dirty when it doesn't get driven. Paint, doing about 2 stages of correction. Just really want to get the paint polished out. It's funny because it's 5 years since it was restored, so the paint's only about 5 years old, but it has swirl marks and water marks. He just parks it, drives it. He's done a 5,000 mile road trip on it. Crazy, right? I don't have anything else to say, but let's get started on it. All right, just got the first stage done. About to start on the second stage now. Paint, not that rough. It's pretty smooth sailing. It just needs a little bit extra grit. That's what the first stage is for. It does about 75–90% of the work. Now we're on the last 10%, just smoothing everything out, making sure all our edges are smooth. Should be smooth. Speaking of smooth, right? Now the paint, I mean, when cars get redone like this, remade, restored, I should say. Restore is the right word. Can't go wrong. It's really nice working on nice paint. Although the fit and finish, because cars are old, I mean, these cars are old, their designs are old, so they're not used to wear and tear, and things tend to crack in paint and things crack. We have a lot of paint cracks, but that's just because the design of these cars, they're wobbly. They're not as stiff as things are today, or they're too stiff and they don't flex as much. That's what leads to cracking as well. You know, tricks of the old car, but it's a nice car, it's a fun car. Gonna keep working on it and polish everything out. And we're done. It's been a long day, but we got it all cleaned up. It's looking really nice. It really needed a good once over. I mean, for a car that's been restored and put a lot of time and effort, someone put a lot of time and effort and money into that. It should look like someone put a lot of time and money and effort into it. So right now it looks like that. I can't wait to take it outside and look at it in the sun. That way we can see the work and see what we did, but I'm pretty confident that it'll be all cleaned out, so excited. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.